Welcome to another podcast from Mannai headquarters, Cisco's largest partner in the region here. I would like to introduce the guest today with me, Lamia Hassaan, who is the MI leader for Managed Services for Business and Strategy. So Lamia, please introduce yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sunil. Thank you everyone for joining our podcast. And thank you, Mannai, for driving this interesting series of podcasts. I've seen a previous couple very interesting podcasts over the last few weeks. So I'm the MSP lead for Cisco across Middle East and Africa. So basically working with our partners to develop their managed service capabilities and make sure that they are helping our customers deliver their business outcomes.
That's fantastic. Once again, thank you for joining us. My name is Sunil Tom. I'm the business lead for Managed Services, CX and AI here in Mannai. And welcome to the podcast once again. So, we have been running a theme of managed services, CX and AI together for the last, in fact, 18 months or so.
Yep.
And that actually have helped us to propel in the new direction that we wanted to drive our organization, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
And let's dive into that topic a little bit deeper. So these are three different powerful levers of transformation, right? And we decided to put these things together and then make it even powerful when the combination comes. So from Cisco's angle, right, how do you look at, when all of these three things coming together, how it helps our customers, our different market segments, and also our partners like Mannai, right?
Yep.
So I would love to hear from you on that.
Sure thing. And I would say that the three themes are interconnected, and they have to be interconnected actually to bring the best outcomes to our customers. So when we talk about AI as a key trend happening now in the market, it's an enabler for our customers to become more productive, to drive the best experience possible to their own end customers as well. We want to make sure that our partners are delivering the right AI strategy and helping our partners, our customers actually to execute on it. And to be able to do this, as you can see here, and Sunil has mentioned as well, that they are driving a very successful managed service practice leveraging AIOps. So you have been one of the leading partners in embedding AIOps into your managed service and CX strategy. CX is actually the end result, the outcome that we all want to achieve for our customers. So with managed service and with AI, we are delivering with the partners like Mannai, we are indeed delivering the best outcomes to our customers.
Yeah, fantastic answer, right? And I mentioned about the different segments of businesses, right?
Yeah.
So let's look at the small and medium businesses. In fact, there's always been a struggle. I would probably wanted to call it that way because that's the reality of them penetrating to the different market segments or different areas or verticals, right? It's always been a difficult proposition for them.
Yeah.
So this theme is really powerful, like you said, and how it is going to help them to conquer different areas of businesses or market and different verticals, or how it's going to help them.
Yeah, I believe that managed service and MSPs are crucial to the success of our strategy at Cisco in penetrating the small business segment and helping small business customers evolve and transform as well. Because when we talk about the small business segment, they have to be focused on delivering their business in the most productive way. They cannot afford to be wasting a lot of time and resources and money on delivering or actually on implementing technology solutions. They need someone to take this burden, right? And that's why our MSPs are there to help them, right? So whether they are implementing collaboration solutions to reach to their own end customers or connecting securely from anywhere using their mobile phones, their iPads, they need a partner that can implement, deliver, operate, and manage the solution for them, and ultimately deliver it as a service model with payment facilities, with OpEx models. And this is what our MSPs are being enabled now with Cisco to deliver this to our customers.
Spot on. Fantastic again, right? And then, slightly different topic, but it is very relevant in terms of AI and CX, right? The data, right? The most important component of all of this. Big changes that is happening across the world.
Yes.
Now, how is Cisco looking at securing the data and also maybe structuring and make it usable for partners and customers to get the insights out of it and make some actionable items so that they can take it to they can make it as part of their strategy, which will help them to grow and also get that new brand equity around their businesses. In fact, it's one of the topics which is commonly discussed but not very vocally discussed as such, I would say.
Thank you for bringing this up. We cannot talk about AI and transformation without talking about data and networking. Data is the base, right? And in an AI era, we cannot, or customers can no longer tolerate, latency, errors, low quality data, because it will impact their business, it will impact their AI strategies, because the models will be running on not a very accurate data. So this is no longer affordable for our customers or bearable for them. And that's why securing the network and making sure that our customers have full visibility on the network, what's happening, whenever there is a problem, they have to be proactive, again leveraging our MSPs as well, to become more proactive in detecting the issues, working on the issues, sorting them out, isolating them, and in the future, how can they prevent the reoccurrence of such problems?
Right.
And that's why we lead it not only from a secure networking perspective, but also from an observability perspective to help our customers become more digital resilient. And that's why, we have Splunk now with App Dynamics, with ThousandEyes. We are definitely helping our customers through our partners to become more resilient.
That's fantastic. Right. Specifically, I just wanted to touch upon that topic on rebranding businesses to something which, a company makes decisions based on out of data, right?
Okay.
This is a topic which is there already.
Definitely.
We all know that.
Yeah.
Now, in the AI world, when we use AI and then we make decisions, that comes from the data and the inputs coming out of the AI, right?
Yeah.
So that's where, the organizations like Cisco, right, when they put in their AI models and how Cisco uses the data and provide the insight, which is commonly accessible right now, in fact.
Yes.
This is an amazing feat of achievement for Cisco, I would say that.
Yes.
Like I earlier mentioned, of course, this data, has been talked about so often. But to help your partners and customers, providing this information which is in a usable fashion. This is an amazing
100%.
direction, I would say.
100%. We see this as the key enabler for AI strategy.
Okay.
And also from an AI ops perspective, as you know, Sunil, we are embedding AI ops in many of our solutions and platforms, which I'm sure your lovely Network Operations Center team is already leveraging. And it will be good to hear from you as well how you believe the integration between AI ops and managed services would give better results to our customers and better services for sure.
Absolutely. This is something that we firmly believe when we wrote our strategy for transformation, in fact. And then behind me is beautiful Network Operations, and which is now an AI Ops center, in fact, since last year. We have multiple AI platforms, which, of course, a couple of them came through Cisco, and then there is another one which I'm partnering with right now from the AI summit that we've had in the month of, last year, end of last year, in fact. So we do have the platforms, and we do have, of course, we have significantly larger customer base, in fact, and also our install base of Cisco is really high. A lot of projects for CX services such as break-fix or the whole managed services projects are running. So we leverage all of these platforms to get insights from either it could be an incident, it could be a problem, it could be something which is completely different from all of this. Could be related to telemetry information. We use all the data sources. It doesn't necessarily even have to be those technical data as such. It could be as simple as a technical documentation that could be read by our AI platform, which provides us, makes our, our analysts and engineers' life easier. Also, our administrative folks,
Yes.
It makes everybody's life easier. And we also we're looking at the AI as a contextual based solution. In fact, for example, if we wanted to just look at only one document and then help our analysts or engineers to not spending too much time of a 130-page
Yes.
document, but get the insights out of it, that is very limited to that particular context.
Mm-hmm.
From that simplicity towards the extremely complex hyperscaler data, from applications to infrastructure to a different set of mapping from infrastructure to the business,
Yes.
impact index, as complex as that could be done within this operations center. The way that we have looked at AI is that. And this is doable, and we are doing it. And of course, we are at the start of it. But this is the journey that we wanted to continue.
This is music to our ears, I have to say. And thank you for really building these unique capabilities. And I think, again, with the AI transformation happening, the way you're using AI ops, customer experience being a top priority for us, we evolved our channel program. We want to make sure that the unique capabilities of our partners, whether it's the customer experience, managed services, it has to be, kind of unified under one holistic framework, whereby we make sure that our partners are capable of delivering successful business outcomes, delivering unique experiences to our customers to help them transition smoothly through all the trends that's happening around AI, remote working, all the challenging landscape that we're seeing. We want to make sure that we're making it easy and smooth to our customers.
That's, I didn't even have to ask you that question. It just
came
out. That's fantastic. That's amazing, Lamia. It's been always a pleasure connecting with you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Thrilled to host you over here.
Really enjoyed the discussion, and looking forward to another podcast very soon.
Yes. That's fantastic. Once again, thank you. Goodbye from Mannai headquarters now. Thank you.